Hello guys, join me as I prepare my catfish pesto. So coming back from Rumokoro market, I bought this beautiful catfish, two of it, and here I already boiled hot water because you need to use hot water and salt to wash this catfish before it will become clean. You know how the body is always slippery, so I have to wash it and wash it and wash it. First of all use hot water to wash it, warm, like not very hot but warm, to wash it out first. Then I now sprinkle salt on it and use the salt to scrub all the body and wash, scrub. Then I now poured a very hot water on it, very hot. This water that I poured on it, this one peeled the body of the catfish, like some part of the body peeled, but I don't mind because I wanted it to be clean. Without this hot water, it will be very hard for those slippery things to go off the body of the catfish. So I have to wash the catfish very well. So this is Jacqueline is my dog. She's always by my side, watching me. If I'm washing fish or chicken, Jacqueline must be there to protect that fish. She will not allow anybody to come close to me, and she's a very good girl. If you leave this fish with her for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, she will wait for you. Like, she will protect this fish. She will not allow anybody to come close to that fish, and she will not eat it. That's one thing about her. She will not eat it. And if you go close, like if you go there to go and take this fish, she will bite you. So she's just this good girl. She's always close to where they're washing chicken and fish. So I was just giving her the fish belly, and she was just there eating and enjoying herself. So I finished washing the chicken. The catfish. Finished washing the catfish, and then I started putting my ingredients. First of all, I put the pepper, put my onion, and then I bought pepper soup spices. I put my pepper soup spices, and then I put my Maggi. And I put salt. So after I put all of this, you can see the catfish, you can see the fish. I did not put water. I just allowed it to boil a little bit. I covered it for like few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, and then I opened it, then added water. So this water now is the water I want to use to cook it. So I just covered it for some minutes after putting the water, and it didn't boil out. So guys, what did I do next? While the thing was boiling, it was already scenting nice. It was scenting very nice. In fact, only the smell itself, it just made me I just start to chop them. It just made me I start to chop them. So the thing boiled, and I put my scent leaf. The scent leaf have been cut already and washed very well. I normally use salt to wash anything washable. I use salt because the salt helps sand to settle down. So I love using salt to wash vegetables. So I've already washed the scent leaf, and I put the scent leaf and allowed the thing to boil. Oh god, it was looking so yummy. I covered it, guys. Immediately I cooked finish, I just went to bed. So yeah, I have to turn it very well. I stirred it very well. I stirred. Then I tasted it, and it was nice. I went to have my bath and dish the food, guys. I enjoyed the food. It was so delicious. I ate it. You see my stomach. Very delicious. Very delicious, and I enjoyed it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Please subscribe.